Alright, welcome to yet again another Brawl video.
Yay!
And we're gonna have some 3 battles going on here.
Top 3, because guess what today is?
Today is Saturday?
No, it's Halloween! Yay!
Yeah.
And we're gonna
I don't even know who when I'm gonna post it, but
top 3 Fox.
goddamn. Alright, here we go. Alright, all the ones are gonna be in Luigi's mansion.
That's why it's Halloween.
Yes.
And 3 stock lives and no items.
By the way, I'm thinking of, like on Brawl videos, I'm thinking of doing more stages other than Final Destination Battlefields, Lilac Cruise, Smashville, and Yoshi's Island. This is one of them.
Oh, really? Cool.
Yeah. But it's not as bad.
And we're not
just minor things in the way.
Yeah, we're not keeping score of who wins all 3. This is just for fun. This is just our tops that we use when we, I don't know, like practice or do something.
I don't want to do that. I want to do the dash. There you go. That's what I wanted to do. Okay, I don't know what happened there, but
You spiked twice.
I didn't want to spike twice.
Oh, wow. Yeesh. Ouch. Let's destroy the house.
I'll bet he had to destroy you.
Not unless I destroy you first. Oh, whoa. And now we watch the full moon in the background. Oh, God. Oh, nice one. Ah, I should have done the other one, but I don't think I would have made it.
No, you wouldn't.
No. Oh, no. Oh. Oh, wow. How? Oh, man.
Oh. Okay.
Oh, wow. Can't believe I hit that. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Oh, that
wow.
damn freaking pole.
Hey, you have the same... Oh, I thought you were going to say my fast attack. Because the quick attack, because you have it too. Oh, whoa! I shined you. Jeez. Oh, damn.
Really?
Oh, nice one.
I'm gonna die.
No, you're not. Stop it.
Oh, I messed it. What? Oh, man. Messed up the chain grab. Oh!
Wow, that was close. Alright. Number 2. Or should I say number 2?
Alright.
You don't mind if I say that, right? Because I know that you came up with that.
Yeah, but I don't know, we're not really doing the top 10 thing.
I know, but I just felt like saying it. Okay, so let's... Yeah, let's just go. I don't know what else to say. Stop eating me. I am not delicious.
Well, you are.
No, I'm just a kid. I'm just a little boy. You're gonna go to jail if you keep doing that. Ow.
Oh. Oh, okay.
Oh, wow, I can't believe I made it too.
I apologize if I did hedgehog it out. Ah, only the other way. That would have been a good mix-up.
Oh, that didn't even hit you? Wow. Almost.
I was running away from that. It's like, instead of blocking or dodging, I should just run away from it.
Oh, whoa, 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 whoa! Oh, really now?
Clap hands.
With 69! Which you don't have anymore.
What? You saw me? Did you not see the dodging animation?
Dodging. Wow. Glitch much?
That is the worst dodging animation I've ever seen.
Oh, I thought you were going to say glitch, but dodge animating, I guess, is good too. Oh, whoa. Damn pole. Ugh.
See, this would have been tournament legal if it weren't for those poles.
Oh, I almost broke your shield too.
Oh, I was gonna get away from that. I knew you were gonna attack like that.
Oh, never mind. I thought you were gonna come back in, so I was gonna get you with that recovery move. What? Yeah. How very immature. How very immature.
Okay.
Oh man! How dare you! How dare you! I hate you!
Come on, I so blocked it.
Whoa!
Jesus. I'm getting worried now.
So I'm like, oh. Oh, damn it!
Don't worry. You're safe.
For now. Oh,
Oh my god, I almost dashed right into it.
Whoa! Oh no! Oh wow! Help!
Yeah, I'm just gonna bide my time here. Come on now! That's fucking bullshit.
Wow.
Seriously.
I was trying to do B attack.
Whatever, let's just go.
Number 1. Which you're probably gonna get me, because if I get you in this one and break your streak, then that's something. But you're gonna get me like always, and so yeah. Let's see if I can break your streak this time. Wow, I just like ran it out like an idiot. But it's always fun at Final Destination when we do our epic battle, because nothing's in the way and stuff. How many minutes are we?
9 minutes and 38 seconds.
Oh wow, we gotta hurry this up then. Oh, damn!
Okay, I thought that'd wear off.
Whoa! What? That little kid got me out?
Yeah.
How is it that I can't block at the same time either? Ooh, nice one.
Oh, really? Ah, I thought it was in the other way. What the hell?
Oh, 96. Backwards number 69. Oh, you, damn it. You ruined it. Oh! Okay, I didn't want to edge hog you.
Okay.
No, 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 no! No, 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 no. You do know the house is gonna come up again.
Wow, I never thought it could do that. Even though it did it like all the time.
Oh, no, 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 no. Oh. Yep. Oh, wow.
I know, I'm just looking at the time.
No, because this is turning out to be epic, as always. Oh, you, wolf, the pole.
I was blocking! Unfucking-real.
Oh, you're gonna win, Kevin. Relax.
It's not that. It's just that I just blocked and it doesn't come out. Great. This is just wonderful right now.
Oh, wow. I thought I hit you and then I hit the pole. Oh, I was about to say, where am I going? Damn it, pole! Oh, why did I do that?
Alright, just in time.
And it still lives on, the wolf. Even at Luigi's Mansion on Halloween!
Oh, maybe I shouldn't consider this stage as one of them.
Well, happy Halloween to you, shall we?
Alright, yeah, happy.
And everybody in the YouTube community, please check out my video on DudeofRock18.
Yes,
because I did one too. Alright, so that's it?
Yeah, I guess that's it.
Alright,
Bye.
catch you later.